Hi there, I'm Robert and I'd like to show you this very nice Audi A1 TSFI 1 litre Sport. Having only covered 14,500 miles, it's finished in black with front spotlights, alloy wheels. As you can see, very nice bodywork, tinted windows, rear spoiler. Inside the rear, it's got a nice size hatchback area. It's got the 40/60 split rear seat. When we get round to the car, of course, it's 5-door, which is even better. It's got electric rear windows as well. Nice two-tone velour upholstery. Once we get into the cabin itself, we've got full electric windows, electric mirrors. You can lock the doors and unlock them there. We've got all the controls on the steering column. Nice clear displays. You've got the pop-up screen. You've got Bluetooth, hands-free telephone. You've got the Audi audio system, air conditioning, 5-speed gearbox, height adjustable steering column, cruise control, height adjustable seat. This car comes with service history and it really is a lovely machine. So don't hesitate. I'm Robert. Give me a call. Come and have a test drive. Let's value your car, and most importantly, I guarantee we'll give you the best deal money can buy.